Hello and welcome to GeologyHub tutorial. In this video, I am going to tell how to prepare contour map using Surfer software. So let us move to tutorial part. Before going into actual tutorial, I want to discuss few things which are needed for preparation of contour map. The first thing you needed is grid file. So you can generate your grid file from this grid menu. You can click on grid and you can generate your grid file from this data option, and you can also generate your grid file from this icon. This icon can be used for generation of your grid file, and after generation of your grid file you can prepare your contour map from this icon. This icon is used for preparation of new contour map, and this option can be also done from this map menu. You click on map menu and then new. From this new option you can prepare your new contour map. So for generation of your grid file you require your data file. So click on grid and after that you select data. So for data file you can have these different formats. You can have your text file, you can your XLS file, you can have your XLSX file, different files, USB file. You can have your data can be in any format, in all these formats. So for this tutorial I have put my data file in XLS format. So I will show how data should be put. So this is my data file. In my A column I have written easting, in B column I have written northing, and C column I have written copper percentage. Basically it is your X, your Y and Z. For preparation of contour map you require three things: your X, your Y and your Z. Z can be anything, your assay value, your elevation, anything for that for which you want to prepare your contour map. So let us generate data file. I will click on this data and I will select my data file. Okay, so here you can see this is asking different option. X, what is your X? X is my easting, so I will select easting. Easting should be in X only. And Y is your northing. Z is your value for which you want to prepare your grid file. These are the different options. You can change it and see what is happening. So gridding method I am using the kriging method, and this option you can check or uncheck. If you want to generate the grid report you can check. So for this tutorial I will check this grid file. This is location of your grid file. By default it will take the same location in which your the contour file is there. You can change the location, otherwise you put in your default. So click on OK. This is your grid file which we have checked. These are the different parameters it has taken for the generation of your grid file. I will close. I don't want to save, so I will click on no. So your grid file has been generated. You can see here it is your grid file. It has been generated and by default it has been put in the same folder where your data file is there. So we will now generate our grid file. You can our contour file. You can generate your contour map from here, or you should go to the map, new and contour map. So you see for preparation of contour map it asks grid file. So I will select my grid file, open, and your grid file has been generated. You see this is your northing, this is your X, and Z value means copper percentage has been taken for the preparation of contour map. These are the different options. In object manager you can change, you can customize the things. It is your right axis. If you want to hide your right axis, you can uncheck, your right axis will be hide. If you want to customize your left axis, you can double click on left axis and you can change the parameters. Suppose you want to change the intervals. See here, this is 50 meter interval, so if you want to change it to 100 meter, you can change to 100 meter. Just type 100 and press enter, so you can see it has been changed. Likewise you can change the contour map. If you want to change the labels, here you can change the label. See here, by default it has taken major contour interval is 5. No, this one is contour interval. Major contour interval is 0.02. You can change 0.4. See what is happening. Type 0.4 and enter, so you can see the spacing has been changed. So I will put it by default 2. It is 2. If you want to fill the contour, you can fill from here. Okay, so this is your contour map. I will unfill it. This is your contour map. In next video I will discuss how to customize your contour map, how to change the levels, how to change the axis parameter. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.